Hi everyone, I'm Michel Baltazar from Jean-Claude Begin. I'm very happy to be a part of the Vogue India Beauty Festival 2020, where I will conducting a volume blow dry session. In this volume blow dry session, you will get a lot of tricks how to use the right brush, how to use nicely the dryer, which kind of products you need to use to protect your hair, but for sure you will learn how to get the perfect volume blow dry. My prediction for the year, I don't know, it will be a lot of things, but of course after all of this I think people want and need a lot of change in their lives and on their looks. It's a lot of makeovers, short haircuts and bright colors, very colorful colors on the hair to flood happiness in the hair. I, Cassandra, will be my model for today. I will show you in this video how to make a perfect blow dry with a nice volume. What you need for a blow dry? Of course you need a professional dryer. With a professional dryer is very powerful and also it lasts all your life. Of course you need also brush. You have different kind of brush, the small one, the middle one and the bigger one. I will show you what is the best for this blow dry. Yes, with a very small brush is nice if you want to do like some curls, something very tight with the curls, but more you go bigger, more your hair will be less curly and a little bit more straight. It's what I don't want something too curly today, I just want like some movement, something more natural, so that I use something a little bit more bigger. You need a comb for detangle the hair, some clips also, and of course the more important thing will be the products. The products I will use mousse for the roots, I use some hairspray to fix the hairstyle, and also some finishing product, can be a serum or some cream. I start now with Cassandra to detangle the hair first, to remove all the knots. I start on the tips to detangle and step by step I go a little bit more up, like that, no knots. Okay, I do just a middle parting. With the middle parting now I need to apply the mousse. You can see a nice amount of mousse, and I apply just here on the middle parting, apply the mousse everywhere on the roots. After the mousse you need to work on the roots, you need to blast dry the roots. Something very important I need to share with you. People have always tendency to blast dry too much the hair. Finally hair is 100% dry. If you want a blow dry will last very long time, like 2 days, 3 days max, it's nice to blast dry maybe 60-70% of the hair, and after you work with your dryer. If the hair is too dry and you work the hair when the hair is 100% dry, it lasts like a half day or 1 day maximum. How to start the roots, to blast dry the roots? If you see, all the hair goes on the right, you need to dry the hair in the opposite way. All the hair goes on the left, you need to dry the hair on the opposite way. So that everything goes this side, I blast dry with just my fingers. With just my fingers, I blast dry this side. Everything goes, all the hair goes back. You need to pull everything front with your dryer. You can see already with just the roots you already have some nice volume. This is a very important foundation when you want to create volume on the roots. Now, next step, we do the sectioning. One part, something very important to do also is the sectioning. The sectioning, more you walk clean, more you walk fast, and everything will be more easy for you. Of course, if it's a little bit messy, your sectioning, you will lose some strands. That is very important to walk with a very clean section. My first big section is only the top of the hair, how you see here. My second sectioning, you can see here, is only the sides and the occipital bone here, and my last sectioning is the neck sectioning, is ear to ear, and you have the last section here. I start my blow dry with the last section. Is for that I divide my section in two parts, and I start with the first strand. Fine, I start with my first section. Here you can see. Now the idea is to put your brush down, your dryer will follow your brush like brother and sister, and you dry everything inside. Okay, I will show you. Okay, now with this first strand, you can see I put my two fingers here and I roll around my finger and I put a clip. Like that we keep the hair a little bit hot and will stay better. Let's do the same thing on the another side. And same, I put my two fingers here and I just turn around, and with my clip I just fix. Let's start now the second section. You can see here the first and second section, all the strands are walked inside, and now I need to walk the last section, the top head section. Everything will be back to back side, but will be turned in another way. I will show you just now. Okay, the difference will be now here. Instead of walk the hair inside, the top section, all hair will be walked outside. I will show you. Now remember what I told you, just put everything outside. And same with your clip, just fix. Done.
Okay, and now the last section, same, we brush everything on front to give a little bit the volume, and after we clip again in this side. Fine, now everything is done. We start to remove all the section clips. You can see already all the nice movement. Right now, just with your fingers, you remove a little bit the curls to make something, of course, more natural. I just use a little bit some cream to redraw a little bit the movement. Now we use some spray to fix.